Welcome, in front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. And to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and wait for the device to turn off. Now once that has happened, you want to hold the power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And there we go. So once you see this mode right here, let go of the keys, and then using volume up to navigate, you want to select the first option and confirm it with volume down. Next thing you will see is, well, this screen right here, so Android with no command. And to get past this, simply hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode. And in here, using actually both of the volume keys now to navigate, you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, and there we go, cache wipe complete, which at that point reboot system now will be selected by default, so well, all you need to do now is press power key, and this will take you back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.